Stuck fishing for bream? 3 reasons they stop biting and how to fix it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sam Lee, and today we're talking about a common problem in wild pond fishing. Your bream or small carp suddenly stop biting. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, it's not that there are no fish, it's usually one of 3 things. Let's break it down so your next trip is way more productive. 1. Water temperature. Find the comfort zone. Fish like bream are cold-blooded, so extreme temperatures make them less active. Too hot? Summer afternoons, early fall. Find shade or cooler spots. Under bridges near trees, or deep bays. The water can be 3–5°C, cooler than open sunny spots. No shade? Try night fishing when temperatures drop to around 25°C. Fish are more active, and small fish are less of a nuisance. Too cold? Winter, early spring. Focus on warmer areas. Shallow spots under direct sunlight around noon or 1.5–2 meters deep. Otherwise, try deeper, grassy areas about 3 meters deep where the water is more stable and fish gather to stay warm. Too low oxygen? Target oxygen-rich zones. On cloudy days, low pressure, or with southwest winds, oxygen levels drop. Fish rise to mid-water or near the surface, leaving bottom baits untouched. How to fix it? Fish near inflows. Water entering the pond brings oxygen and food. Fish mid-water. Adjust your float to fish halfway down the water column. You'll often see bream hitting in these layers even when bottom fishing fails. Watch the wind. Fish the side with uniform oxygen. Avoid downwind zones where the bottom oxygen is still low. 3. Green water. Use extreme flavors. If the water is very green or murky, fish are surrounded by food and may ignore normal bait. You need either really mild or really strong flavors. Super mild, natural sweet scents like corn, wheat or potato-based bait can attract fish. Keep it simple, less or no added aroma. Super strong. Boost strong smells with red worm powder, shrimp powder, or amix in your commercial bait. Like adding 20% red worm powder. The strong aroma wakes the fish senses. 1 situation you can't beat. Sudden temperature swings. Heavy rain, snow or cold fronts can make bream temporarily stop feeding. This is natural, they readjusting to sudden changes. There's nothing you can do, except wait a few days for the water and the fish to settle. So unless the pond is completely empty, bream almost always bite if you target the right water temperature, oxygen levels, and adjust your bait to the water conditions. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever faced a sudden no bite situation? What did you do to get them biting again? Drop your tips in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a fishing tip. Tight lines, everyone.